Thank you for joining us again. This is Ringa's podcast show, and this is your girl Dimpo Tipe. Namhlanje angihambi ngiyi-1, but ithi lami lithi ukuzifihla kancane lithi kuhlala pha emva kwamakhamera. So sinobani namhlanje? Sino-Cat Scooby-Doo. I was introduced lapho. Introduce.
Okay guys, mina nguKatleho, nguScooby, ngihlala la eThatha. Ngidume ngokuphapha vele abanye bathi mina bangazi ngihamba ingoja. Angazi ukuthi iphuma playo mara bafethu abangaziyo.
Thina masikwazi siyakwazi. Nabanye abazoyibheka le episode bazowazi ukuthi uCat Phuma kude
guys, like yazo zangitshela into eyi-1.
Yeah, ivoice
lapho like so ngiyayiprepare ingoja ezi-3 then
actually ingoja
how guys bekumnandi how
uqale hanhlanhla uqedile ngokuthi amedi ngoja obe ngoja guy like hanhlanhla
ngeke singoja guy yilo vele isha abantu bengihamba nabo babhemi ipipe kakhulu so nami bese ngilibhema ende yabo.
And mawuthanda ipipe ungena pipe kwamele uthande
ingoja yabona hayi uthanda ingoja hayi uthanda ingoja uyazuzoya lapha bhema khona azi ukuthi engojeni bayabhema
otho ifaka lifihla mo usina flavor latswa mo liyani ngojeni ongulo checka ona flavor litho ngojeni oliyo checka ngojeni yabiste ngo flavor ijwalo bathosa manje ngoja bayitsa jwalo
khona nerisijwalo.
So batla utsiba wishe le o yetsa WhatsApp nking ya group chat o tswa ga di group chat o tswa o kena o delete di message se rena na go motho go kwatetse rena na go kentse di ke phela re khela re ke ga lona matsatsi
yo guys bengakwatanga mina like indaba ye-sim card man isibahe i-sim card sami lo muntu lo usebenzisa i-sim card sami so like I had to ukuthi ngisiyeke yabona and stuff so into engibhede ngayo ukuthi ngingakhulumi ukuthi like kwenzakalani but then today ngila on esipanini and from now zohlezi on time esipanini that one
wena uhlezi on time vele esipanini ga utsiba how tla esipanini uba early but gona ne rena hana go maybe o kwatetse hore hona le guest no batla etle mo na
cousin yakhe cousin yakhe
hore etle then ara gona o etsa di minister hore etle because of santana na tse re lokisa dintho tse ding abo so re nana go maybe ka tlo o kwatetse se re ipotsa hore o tla bona le episode re tlo dropa today o tlo bona hore boots tso ga o ka tlo re nentseng what we do and then ra apologize hore ha ibo.
But guys, no, it was not about that. There was no beef, no nothing.
I want to tell you, the regard is in Katimakuli. You don't share any number. But you are the number to duplicate Otolo so buali Masran. Cannot go without Banaka, who saw some Masran. No, Tatak when I woke up, oh, yeah, pepper, yeah. Oh, like, so guys. First really leboe for your support. Abona the likes, abona la share, and for those who are supporting us, thank you very much, guys. We do appreciate it. So, haibo, kaitamela today you say ke haibo. Kigela makuli, ke ra ere kigela makuli obvious. Ke reka something. Like you reka today you say haibo. Akere Mosiki o ashapa ka ndla di compliments.
Highway, nuba.
I can see. Like in Martina ke a ke so ba felo ba.
Highway.
Ha ke re ke ya makule Mosiki a re sisi a o mohle. Uziphethe kahle.
Highway.
Ume kahle.
Mama.
Ke re no, I
do want
we hear it smile. Like I wanna say smile. Like you hi guys. Like thank you guys for I know I'm beautiful, but thank you for Leona Linketso Ricky Bono. Vele ndimhlela lempa validation. So yeah. So like negative like hibo
not really like
and then in Mandela
compliment angel.
No, like I declare to try compliment our umuhle. We are one to omega like I want to try declare to the but
you makadito so
like hibo Like phela ke le phara ke ka patse le skipa sa ka sa ANC ke.
Oh yeah, ufaka uRamaphosa.
Like hello, freedom is coming tomorrow. Mosiki a fitla mpetsa ka ba ona njuta. A ke tsebe patsi like thank you my guy.
Bana njuti nami ngizokutshela Chomi ngiyakrashela.
Uyavela kanjani?
No, like uyangijala.
I don't feel safe around you anymore. I don't feel safe around you anymore. Sesho uyibamba kanjani le? Umuntu sekathi uyakrashela.
Makakrashela
Danko.
Ukrashela kanjani?
Babela ukuthi nje umuhle.
Thank you guys. Okay guys. But anyways, so let's get busy ka TikTok ya ka ne. Let's get sina data for the past few days, but ila ke na TikTok ke bona na le aphiwe ke yo o la ka phone ya hae phone ya mitshontshiwe ku event ka Big Zulu bla 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 uyakhuluma lapha ya. So after video ya hae ke ntse ke scroll hape ke yo Fifi Cooper address. I'm clearing the rumors. I'm not the one who took the phone because apparently I was the only rapper in that place. Blah blah blah. Naledi akisha urekile phone in. The following day I got phone in. I won't sorry. Guys, angeke ngicede.
But then Chom, angidlulisela uFifi Cooper yena urelease istatement kanjani? Unaledi aphiwe angashongo igama lakhe ukuthi
angithi unaledi aphiwe uthe i-female rapper ephashini.
What if she was referring to her?
Hante, Fifi Cooper winka jolo ka eng female rapper ephashini.
Yeah.
Ngoba nayo yabona ukuthi
like bese ratlera amagoma sokuthini akusuye uthathe iphone. But wena personally ucabangani ngona le aphiwe because wonke umuntu unama different opinions ngaye. Like ukuthi uyabona umuntu onjani uthole ifame but ucabanga ukuthi uzothina angazi ukuthi nibe kanjani inspiration kanjani abantwana like thina maybe sintanga zakhe vele thina like yabona we are here age peers somewhere because yabona sikhula sonke ucabanga ukuthi yini influence ayilethayo so it's like kunama social media drama but at some stage uyakhuphuka unemali like she has everything like everything she dreamt of Marana 10 years like iyayenza ngale manje Marana 18 so when ucabanga ukuthi
like guys mina unaledi aphiwe I don't have into ebad engayisho ngaye like mina into engayisho ukuthi like une i-aspiration kwama young upcoming artist ukuthi like mfethu mawufuna like something yakho iphupho lakho yalandelela no matter what. And I think that's what she's
landelanga Chris Brown ulandile wafika wamposter
because no not to say Chris Brown like wenzile umposte just nje ubonile ama video because of finally the appear is bigger poster.
I know like apparently the video was posted by the teacher and so market to poster yaba viral
like viral
yeah lathi besicula ubabulala na
which means
yeah then teacher wayenzani wafika wamtshela ukuthi hey ndoda postiwe wena posto Chris Brown cabanga uvuka phela like ne ile like inkariki I woke up and my dreams came true like injalo eyakhe like
but then I think like yena ku situation yakhe like ube lucky to get to be like fast kanje like understand and no abekho abantu abangena ku music industry so fast and yena una talent like she's so
like she's very talented mina futhi mina ngiyamthanda yazi why ngimthanda kahle
beside ama woman
ngimthandela ukuthi like yabona those people abambulayo like umuntu omdala acabanga ukuthi uzofika upost kana leli afika comment umbhedo or ayenza video akhuluma umbhedo ngona leli unaleli uyenzani uyaphendula and then makaphendula bafika ngathi uyadelela and something but if ever umuntu says like uyazi
Maruyadelela waphendula abantu abadala
no like
umuntu
naye as a naye umuntu phela unama feelings understand angeke uzweke abantu like bakhulume izinto eziyale ngawe especially on your platform like no you have like, to defend yourself as a person.
Yes, no. Abantu sine freedom of speech but freedom of speech yakho isebenzise kahle ungayisebenzeli ebanyeni abantwana unaledi vele like mele kube nama bad comments ngoba yini i-celebrity abantu angeke bakuthande bonke. But if ever wena awumthanda umuntu, keep the beef to yourself. Uyidle uyibani beef yakho ungahotspot abantu ukuthi bamzondo unaledi hey
but then
base bablame nama managers wakhe ukuthi ye in
but then
if ever mina ngidecide manje ukuthi ngiyadelela angeke bablame ringers mangidelela ngiyadelela mina
exactly
yabona into
but then
enjalo
so far masizwa like amagumas like basho vele ukuthi like she's so disrespectful but then thina
no akekho disrespectful
ukuthi
abantu
awukaze wahlala naye tips awumazi phela wena ubona lama-post nyana awapostayo susuyamjaji ukuthi umuntu oright umntana like
umuntu
awukaze waba naye
we don't say anything bad about her because naye umuntu unama-feelings ma umuntu kumele uzidefende vele
mara no search akaze wafika eposting yomuntu wafika wacomment umbhedo or wayenza ivideo ngomuntu athi yeah you know what in beside le yakhe noma who
sokuthi khona ivideo ke
akanayo
angithi le yakhe noma who yona
le yakho angithi ba-release ama voice record ama WhatsApp ama personal voice record bawakhiphi bakhuluma lapha umntana kabo mahu ngathi bekala naleli aphiwe bese wathi naleli aphiwe utholwe ngumamakhe bekuyiwish but apparently I feel like unaleli ulandelwa i-drama like i-drama iyamlandela and umntwana o-right owazi ukucula she's very talented and i-fan base yakhe ikhule in a massive way because like manje sekalingana namanye ama-influencer within a very short space of time.
But then doesn't mean that guys now progress like in abantu kumele bacindezele phansi izoba njalo vele this is life it is reality either way bazokucindezela phansi abantu bazoku-abuse especially e-industry ma-new they will do that apparently
mara nami if ever bengunaledi ngilahlekelwe ifoni yami personally mina
mamela
mawulahlekelwa into uba ne-suspect angeke into ilahleke bese awususpect into
yes but
uya everywhere ungalahlelwa kifoni ritekam awulahlela phone I never suspect really too utoba lo obatla go wena umsuspect uyiwani so ho tshole ke siya nkile phone yakhe utoto ndiza go ke siya nkile phone yakhe obana sele hotspot yangi ya beef
but then to lose something I feel like Lena besides anything she had a chance on that same night I can we say by taking the phone and then by Tola Bukaiko Alexander and then they went to that house but so far again because of they felt as if like about looking at but they tell like batubamo and stuff but then if guys mawufuna into yakho you will tell I will tell it exactly if it track ya shoot
but like Naledi is a good person if ever ubile mindset ya hore mo handikanga kena yes phone yaka e trackile ere ino but if ba ka kena e tlo feel like ke disrespect ntlo ya batho which means Liana into untana le soft spot
and like une respect but then I also feel like uyenze kanjalo because of like akatholanga nemvumo from amaphoyisa because of if mabonisa inelibona bami escottile to their house nakho kena but then azang adlala mabonisa uchile vele for mabonisa ababathusa ka next and stuff because of guys I don't understand why
every day like Bunmona wakhipsela ngoba la etsatha abantu bakhipsa
la siphila kanzima ubona nganje iyo anginani
uphila kabuhlungu at least we misplace maybe yena ukhohle wheelchair toilet umuntu asibhebhele phone phela like ithina abantu abamnyama banale theory yokuthi uNkulunkulu akakuniki ngesandla nangenyawo uyakhabela uyabona so maybe omunye ubenile toilet wabona ifoni kanale wabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu
singamelanga ukuthi sijudge sisho ukuthi ubani oyenzile because of asazi nathi we don't know the story but the person who phone you're so lucky Shemi njengoba she you're so
lucky mfundum amarulaki vele
that person is so lucky it's so lucky that person
so like nenze kilili tabe neshebeletse taba vele na these days kusheba like
uzenza mini
okay from nini ubhekele indaba siswami
no just kushebeletse taba because of in case Jocelyn Smith it drew the attention again and then I wanted to hear more about the case because it seems like the case has been going on for a very long time.
So what is going on with the case?
So Kimang Jocelyn Smith apparently Namahaye umrekisite to Sangoma so like case I think eba complicated because me o haba to bua nnete o ntsha batho ba ngata like
but when how do you think she feels guilty?
She feels guilty but angeke akwazi ukukhipha isangoma imnikeza imali. But I think umzali o reckless othengisa umntwana just because ufuna ukufida iaddiction yakhe
bazali itrader ngathi
like two tips wena wathi umthengisile uyazela ukuthi umthengisile
like bathi like umbani umama ka Joshilin bekase like bebase tavern kunalapho la uyabona like ama tavern wasekasi laba unregistered la kuhlangana khona ngokuphuza makafika lapho axoxela umngani ukuthi hey mina ngithole ithenda la ka Joshilin ngiyomthengisa batry advice ukuthi ake kuthengisa umntwana in 20,000 yabona
so yena njengoba bekasho kanjalo like bekadakiwe
like ngathi bese kadakiwe vele ukuthi yabona seziyanqinga sekayahlele vele into enkulu yakusinda like nawuka wina di million no untotsetsa go wina di million utoba le muntu masaletseng utoba le motho umjetsa go yo
ke winne
ngomela ngitakwisa usiya kulomalanga ngabambeki ngisho ngathi ubamba ibhola lapho
wenzakalani
mama ngamdakwisa nyana ngazi usho ukuthi uzokhipha iciniso
makadaki uzokhipha makadaki uzokhipha
vele guys that's my
but I don't think
of alcohol uyakhuluma vele
angazi noma uyiphaka noma maloyo makuthengisa umntana
yo guys
cabanga umzali sekathengisa umntana manje basafuna at least bathi ama remain somntana sithole justice ukuthi uJoshilin ubulawe ubani or ukidnap ubani or ukuphi bamsebenzisele umuthi or what makamele kube ne solid something solid
abazi ukuthi uyaphila
uJoshilin ukwenzakaleni they don't know but for the
it's so hard
it's because ukuthi the case has been going on for a very long time I think like la akhona akasaphili allegedly akasaphili
but uzothola ukuthi bamezihlanya
umkhovu or something
exactly that is possible
these people are bad news like yabona wawuthi ungathi umntana lo akusisa ngoba uyathakatha
guys so themba kanjani amasongo because of like I thought before amasangoma lokho abantu abasizayo ngezinto zesintu but then now masignal nanamakhizo ukuthi
bayithi isixhosa sibaningi inkinga yileyo
umuntu
baserathi bakajika ikhona mntana edlusi
ivaleke mfana ngoba ukhohle ukuthi uthengisele bani phela
asikho sure ukuthi uthengisele bani but angithi bathi bekayothengisa ama-parts omntana like makamthengisa nge-30,000 bebafuna ama-parts ubani ongathenga ama-parts
uyabo asazi
ubani umuntu ofuna ukuthwala or umuntu oyothwalisa yabona ukuthi
hi guys asike lesivaleni sinakeni as content creators ngoba bawafakile ku DStv
ulate abana ne umbogela fela ulate rona re tla mosebetsing elkedag ra bua ka content creators but anyways ra ba leboela shembona but my favorite podcast engibhekelelayo Open Chat. Open Chat.
Open Chat.
Yeah, like their podcast is very nice.
But we can most of the time. So kahle bakhuluma ngamantombazane abantu abahle.
I don't know.
They talk about anything.
Yeah, like they talk about everyday life. Bakhulume ngama-celebrity, bakhulume. But yeah.
Njengayo nje ngikhuluma not ukuthi bona
senza guys.
Nathi sikhulumi ngamantombazane, sikhulumi ngabantu abathingisa.
Ayithi awufuni ukuthi amantombazane abe khona le TV.
Hawu, ngithanda ngifuna amantombazane abe khona.
Ivale mfana, istory selinyila.
Hayi, ungangifaka negama emlomeni.
Uneyinkulumo wena.
So sesho uyidle kanjani i-Easter yakho? Ngizile ukuthi bomatasa kabi bengakutholi weekend yonke nje. Mawuza kwakho ulekereke. Ulekereke. So wengiza la usesho sesontweni on Thursday ebusuku athi bekakhona beyintando ukumbona izolo.
Ngisesontweni.
Uyakwazi?
Man.
Ngingangkholi guys.
Ubesontweni?
Yeah.
Akuzukomela ujwayele esontweni ke ngoba
No, guys.
Someone is dealing with you and udila nawe in the right way.
But then,
Ma
guys,
usungaye esontweni.
is it that important ukuthi ngesontweni nanoma izizanga zethu? Is it that important?
Angithi like ma usendlini. Uhlele endlini uzithandazela kwi-1 ufunda iBhayibheli uzogcina sofunda iBhayibheli ngendlela wena ofuna ngayo ungafuni ukuthi abantu abantu batshele the different version uzofuna ukufunda iBhayibheli the way wena ufuna ngakhona but the minute ufike esontweni bazo like umfundisi uzokhuluma ama-different perspectives on how ukuthi iBhayibheli ukuthi uJesu baze gwebe bamfake lapha bambulala uzogcina ukuthi understand ngcono kunokuthi mawuhlele ekhaya uthandaza uyi-1.
Uzwa kanjani esontweni njengoba abopastor bayenza izinto ezikanje so bathemba kanjani
izinto ezinjani
abanye bazidlisa utshani
But inkinga ukuthi like manje vele like amasonto amaningi like njengalela bengilingena ngathi
scam
leli sonto bathi bazobuza i-game amaphoyisa.
Angifune ukukhuluma mina.
Yeah, but it's a valid point. But how akhona amasonto obonayo ukuthi like kule sonto leli maybe I can blend in. Ngisonto it doesn't matter ukuthi usonta ePastola or usonta eRoma or usonta
as long as you worship God.
Amapiano nangithi
uNkulunkulu
isonto lamaKristian bathi isonto lamapiano. Yeah, lona lelo isonto lakho lapho Kristu
amapiano. Mele kumnandi esontweni. Jive.
Esontweni.
Esontweni.
So but groove ayama sonto ngawuni. Why usamamela music oyongamela ko groove umamela kaThungu unezwala kaThungu udana ukusikaya groove the same way u decide ukuba le Bible kaThungu usikaya kereke monate wa kereke the same way monate wa mjive ngole kaThungu how fisha mole ukena DJ mamang ayo jive
esontweni akuphuzwa sontweni akuphuzwa
khona amasonto aphuzwa
maphi njengaliphi
ngeke ngifuna ukuthi mara kunamanye amasonto
njengaliphi elipholasi ngoba uyasithusa thi
ngoba mina ngazi ukuthi
ama esonto akuna esonto linye lamaPastola
baphuza
ngale ngabasozo
baphuza every Sunday
abaphuza every day bama kunemicimbi kune
yaphuza
babenza utshwala lokho shake umkombo so yabona ukuthi like
it's an African beer that one African beer nami
ngakusala bayiphuzile yenza
ngani
yabo
ngakufika healthy
ningayidifferentiate mawuphuzile uyadaba ubhala lathi siyophuza i-black and ubone sonali brand bokuntsha baba Viking or king lekeni
yenge
ayikona marble ice sonali Viking
hayi ka imabel ice iphumile manje
Viking yani i-cheap 15 rand phela
seriously
hello
iyo hey mina ithapa wethu ayisatholakali
umaka
sirasi bathi igafsins iphelile guys
abazali basidedile lezo
sirasi
abazali ngo-2010 until 2016
akufani ukuphelele igaftizi ithapawela kicontainer mara azasekazi igaftizi
sasekhona but then masifuna ukuzenga alibathi like azisekho available
asazokhulumela phezulu kabobani
angithi abazali mawungena uthi room divide agcwele ithapawe uthi ubheka phezu kwefriji ithapawe uthi uvula iraka ithapawe ayadinga ukuthi abesona
ayaxabanisa guys benze kahle
iyaxabanisa nabazali ithapawe
iyadura
nabomakhelwane
umzali athi hey
ngikhala zahle ekolweni eprimary ucingasilahla ngithi yes angihlanyeki athi yes ngithapa we from there bangithengela lesikhathini lesi
throwaway
yini throwaway
like le crafting less like ezingabhalwanga ngoba le crafting ezingabhalwanga bathi angithi abantu abasebenzisa ithapawe bathi ungazongiphaphela ubheke mina ngisebenzisa ithapawe wena usebenzisa i-throwaway
okay bafethu asibonge sayivalwa ngesenza kanjani
Unibuza mina. Ngisemacamereni mina abantu bazokubika bo.
Ngibhude.
Anyways, bafethu, thank you for joining us ku Ringers podcast show. Nangibona ukuthi bengikhona namhlanje on the screen Hoskara my mean. Next week ngizobe nginobani lethini lami liJojo ubani uthuli Mseshu. Kahle galaka. Le episode futhi ayizwa kahle angizwa kahle ngoba uMseshu bekangekho, but anyways, thank you guys for watching.
Whoa.
No, but I'm not saying it in a bad way, but yeah, like the episode, like it feels different because I'm used to be with Tuli Mseshu on my side, but now we got the whole episode we see pets be trendy. Ungafili small. Obviously, it's your first episode, like yabon.
Guys, not really like every time, but then Connie Spacey,
yabon. Thank you.
Siyabonga bafethu. Ni subscribe ngicela guys.
Thank anyway.
Ayvalwanga. Awatshela ukuthi ba subscribe.
Cela ni follow guys ngicela please.
Tako.
Me. Uncle.
Straight from my inbox.